YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're talking about a toothbrush. I know you're like, this is the Tech Ninja, why are you talking about a toothbrush? Of course, there's gonna be some techie elements built into it, and this is a smart toothbrush. You may be wondering what the heck is a smart toothbrush? What are you showing me? But stay tuned, it has a lot of cool features into it, and I'm gonna tell you how it actually changes the way I brush my teeth, and I'm not even joking about that. Let's take a look. Kind of a side note, I was born with a tooth defect. I pretty much have no enamel on my teeth at all, and I go through many root canals and teeth pulling and all these sort of things. So having a smart toothbrush was something that kind of appealed to me. And the crazy thing about teeth that kind of blows my mind is that you're born with your baby teeth and your adult teeth, and that's it. Your teeth don't come back, they don't regenerate, nothing like that. So once they're gone, baby, they're gone. And that's sort of scary and depressing at the same time. So when Colgate reached out and wanted me to look at this, and I told Colgate that I would not make a video unless I actually use a toothbrush and actually can give some proper opinion on it, because tooth hygiene is something that I've dealt with my whole life. And we're here today. Did you know that according to a study that Colgate conducted, users miss over 40% of the surface of their teeth prior to using the Connect E1? Now, Colgate wants to help you get to 100%. That's the ultimate goal when brushing your teeth. So this toothbrush will actually help you get to those areas, and I'll talk about that shortly. But first, let's talk about inside the box. Inside the box, you'll find the toothbrush itself, an extra head, and the charging base. And that's really it. The rest of the things you need are actually built into the Colgate app. The smart toothbrush maps out your mouth as you brush and keeps track of exactly where you have brushed, and it will provide feedback on what you missed and how you can improve your brushing score. All this information is available in the app, which does connect to your toothbrush via Bluetooth. As you brush your teeth, the yellow turns into white, so you can kind of see what sections you're missing and kind of this really cool 3D map of a mouth. This app gives you an overview of your weekly average stats based on duration, frequency, and surface coverage. This app truly makes brushing an immersive experience, and it gives you a detailed view of your brushing habits. Now, I think I brush pretty good just because of my tooth issue. I always find myself having to brush more than the next person or brush a little bit better than the next person. And using this app, I found that I was 88% effective with the surface areas, and I found out that I wasn't reaching far back enough to get this back molar, and also I wasn't going high enough in some of these top areas, and I was sort of missing my gum. So this was kind of an eye-opening experience, I guess, to sort of see where I was missing as I was brushing in real time. The brush is also kid-friendly. It features games that will motivate kids to brush better and collect coins based on their brushing habits. The family mode allows you to track the whole family and keep up with everyone's brushing scores. It's actually interesting that Colgate puts this into a family experience where you can see everyone's score, and you can sort of get on your kids' nerves if they're not brushing properly, or they said they brushed their teeth and you can look in the app and it says they didn't brush at all. The Connect E1 has everything you need to track and receive feedback on your brushing, but it's also an amazing toothbrush by itself. It uses these sonic vibrations to provide the best clean, and the small round head is actually able to fit into any of the spots in your mouth. Even with it being smart and having built-in Bluetooth with it, it's actually pretty slim for an electronic toothbrush. On the outside, when you look at it, it looks very inconspicuous, looks like a normal toothbrush, but inside it has these tracking mechanisms, and it's just a really nice piece of tech that's slim, it's slender, and it just doesn't stick out and screams techie. The brush has a 10-day battery life, so if you go on a short trip, you can leave the charging dock at home, and you can just replace the heads in packs of 3. You can buy those online, or even some stores may carry those. With so much technology to improve our lives and health, the toothbrush is one of the simplest yet most innovative tools to improve your dental hygiene. The Colgate Connect E1, in my opinion, is a fantastic way to ensure you're brushing your teeth properly and also motivating your kids to get in those teeth, get in those gums, and get all the way back in the mouth. And with it being gamified a little bit, maybe it can provide some extra incentive. With it having family plans, make sure you can, if your kids are competitive, see which one is brushing their teeth the best, who has the highest score in the family, all those things. So for me, any way to get me to brush my teeth better and more efficient takes my score from an 88 to 100 using an app. I'm all for it, and it's actually something I'm going to continue to use. because my teeth suck and I need help. Anyways, guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit the links down below. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.